Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. Novo Amor here with a song called Same Day, Same Face. Imagine that, same day, same face. Alright, let's take a look at this main part of the song, which will be in the same way here. We'll look at the chords and grips and have the strumming very easy. It's very comparable to how you do and hear the notes there. So let's start here with the capo set on the first fret. All right, so with that we have the easiest scenario possible with the chords C major, the G, B, E minor, G, and D. All right, so we'll take a look at this one. We don't have to learn the chords in advance, so we're just gonna learn the song as it comes, the grips as they come. So let's start with the C major 7. It's like this: third fret on A, second on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. All right, try to avoid the last E string here when you play it for this specific song here. So more on the bass and mid strings there. So one down on that, just like that. Then you go over to the GB chord. That is basically just the second fret on the A string, and everything down there will be open, open D, open G, open B. And more important on this chord, avoid the last E string, cause the notes that goes in the bottom there on the B string pretty much sets the melody there of this part here. So it will be this open B string is important here. So you're gonna do one down on that. Then you add the third fret on the B string and another down there. Really try to get that note as the last note. And then you do an up there on the back, on the way back there to hit this last time on this GB chord. So it will be C major, one down, a pause there, and then you play it down on the GB, and then another down on that with the added third fret B string, and then just one up on the same with the open B string now. So you release the third fret B and get that open. That's the main part, and then we have two different endings. Okay, the first ending will be a G chord, basically. That is like the C major, but you move everything one string up, so that gives you third fret on E string and second on A, and you do one down on there, play on the bass and mid strings, try to stop somewhere around the G string, the open G string, cause that is where the melody goes, so to speak. So this note will be the last you play when you do the down. That's the first ending. Then you play everything else again, the main part, the C major, then the GB, and then you come to the second ending, which will be a D chord. Basically, you do like this. Okay, so what you do here, you're gonna hold and play the open A, the open D, the second G, and then you can have the third fret B string as the supported note, but try to stop there around the G string, so you can hold like this. You do one down on there, and then you're gonna add the fourth fret D string. You can just hammer on there with the little pinky or whatever finger you choose to go with, perhaps the ring finger, like that. And that will be the second ending. And then you just go like this and alternate the different endings. G for the first ending, then D for the second, and you go and play the main part before there every time. So that is pretty much how I handle Novo Amor's Same Day, Same Face. I'm gonna take you through both these rounds so you get the both endings there. So let's go. That is one round. You just play like that, and that pretty much covers Same Day, Same Face. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.